Alright, welcome to Chatswood. For the ones familiar, up ahead is Westfield Chatswood. We're turning onto Victoria Avenue and we're looking for number 260. You've guessed it, we are heading to the new Supercharger and we've got some big news to show you guys and to tell you guys. So this is just the main street. Chatswood chases up on the left, and I think we're headed to the right. We're headed to, it's called Mix at Chatswood Place, I think. So it's just up here to the right. So this is apparently the new place. And we just need to look for the parking. Here it is on the left. Now I'll take a wider turn so you guys can see. So there's a pillar here, ticketless parking, and very clear signs. As you can see up ahead, Tesla Superchargers. So looks okay, it's pretty steep. And it's a full right turn here. I can't turn my camera, but you guys will see. I think you guys will be okay. So enter before $5 per hour, after $20 max per day, free parking after 6 p.m. We are turning, are we going right? Yes, we're going right, and then we're going left over here. It is a little bit tight, but it's definitely doable, and you'll see up ahead Tesla electric car chargers to the right. So we'll indicate to the right. So as we've come down, this is B2, and directions are saying we want to turn right and right again. Now, in this car that I am in right now, I've had to do a 3-point turn. I definitely could not get straight in, so you guys are coming with me. So as long as you do a 3-point turn, you will be totally fine. There's no issues there, so just watch out as you come in. And I'm not driving hard or fast, but it's just the surface. And so I'm supposed to go up ahead in front, but I will just turn here since there's no cars anyway, just to drive across. So these here are the V4 Superchargers, as you can see. So there's one there on the left, 2, 3, 4, there's 8 chargers here, I believe. So there you have it. So I'll reverse into one of the spots. We'll start charging, and then I'll share some news with you guys once we get out. So nice and easy to find. So basically it's on B3, you just got to come down one level and then you'll be good. And then just remember, it's a 3-point turn. Alright, I've parked, so we'll switch the video in a moment and I'll show you guys something new. We are at the Chatswood Supercharger, so I'm going to show you guys that in a second, but before that we've got some very exciting news. As you guys may know, I have dropped a few hints somewhere down the line to say we sold the Kia Carnival and we've got a new replacement, and I don't even know what to say, so maybe I'll just show you guys. meet Raven. So this is our new car. I'm going to share more information with you guys in the coming weeks about the entire purchase process, but let's do our first supercharging session. So this is the big boy. All right, we need to come back around over here. All right, so that's that. Oh, and obviously we have failed at this because we actually need the adapter. Well, that's a fail, isn't it? So we were cleaning the car and we actually took all the charging cables out. And you know what else comes out with it? If you look here, this is just a Type 2 port. So there's actually no CCS2 specific charging bit here, adapter. So we essentially left the adapter at home. That's basically what happened. We left the adapter at home. So we're now at the supercharger. I can show you guys, but I can't plug in. So yeah, I guess this is the supercharger without supercharging.
One eternity later.
All right, we're back. So this is what we left behind. So this is a CCS adapter. So basically we plug it into here like that, and then we'll plug the other one in a moment. So this is what we need for legacy Model S and X owners. There you go. Now you can either plug it in first or plug it in second. I guess it's the same. It does the same thing. Now we should be charging. So let's go in and let's have a look. There it is. So we are charging, it says here 40 minutes remaining, and that's charging to 90%. So we're charging at 136 kilowatts. Doesn't look like it's going any faster yet. I'll hold it here for a moment and we'll see if the speeds change, but I believe it's 136 or 130s essentially is the maximum on these legacy Model S and X, even with the CCS upgrade. And I've just touched the main screen. It's still off at the moment, but you can see here just in smaller writing down there, 125, 126. So I'll stop the video here and I'll monitor it and I'll let you guys know how we go. All right, so anyways, here's all the 8 superchargers. So we'll come around. So there's only one other car charging at the moment. So that's everything there. You can see they're still doing some maintenance work over there. There's a lift here. This is apparently to the apartment for residents only. And then there's a sign down over there to say you're going to the shops. There's an Aldi over there. And then the rest of the entry to the shops is right down over there. I'm not going to walk all the way over there, but that's basically where it is, and I'm sure there's bathrooms and other shops that you can get through over there. And then in order to get out, presume you just drive somewhere out that way. There's a way out there. You go around here and then you turn right and go up. One thing I forgot to mention the other day when we were here is over here you've got electric vehicle charging only. Scan for instructions to charge a non-Tesla. So with 8 stores over here, obviously all Teslas here at the moment, but you can charge your non-Tesla here as well. Alright, so I've been here I'd say about 15 minutes. It's dropped from about 130 something kilowatts down to 100, and now it's charging at around 81 kilowatts, and it's pretty steady at 80, 81. We've added 25 kilowatt hours so far, 25 minutes still remaining there, and you can see still pretty good charge speeds, 430 kilometers per hour. Also just take note that if you guys are with Vodafone, down here it's SOS. You'll have no reception. Thankfully the car does have Telstra, so you will have reception if you're Telstra Optus, I got no idea about you guys. So there you guys have it. 136 kilowatts was the fastest we seemed to get. Alright, so we are done. So we're going to stop the charging there. That was just a demonstration and to test the speeds on the Model X. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Glad I could share this big news with you guys. And yeah, plenty more content coming. So we'll see you soon. Alright, so after you actually supercharge, you follow the lines to go out, where you come over here. And my goodness, this is a very tight turn. Alright, let's have a look.
3 point.
Oh, it's actually okay, it's not too bad. I think if you get on a right angle, you'll be alright. But it does look pretty tight actually. So I say just take your time. And we made it. Alright, and we're here. So that's it. That's Chatswood Supercharger. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content and we'll see you soon.